Thank you for choosing MoistTech as your moisture measurement specialists. Implementing our equipment with your process is going to instantly increase efficiency, production quality, and dryer control. Your equipment has been pre-calibrated before shipping and is ready to be installed on your production line. Let's review the installation process basics. Installation of your new sensor is quick and easy. We pre-calibrate each sensor to your exact needs to create a plug-and-play operation. Your equipment is easily installed using the bracket on the back or the top of the sensor enclosure. Select a location on the production line that has a continuous flow of material, ensuring that when in place, the sensor is between 4 and 12 inches from the product flow being measured. Belt installations are the most common placement for the sensor, which can be open air or enclosed. A 1-inch diameter vertical or horizontal pipe that is welded to a structure free from vibration is highly recommended for mounting. Screw conveyors are used in many bulk handling processes. Position the sensor to measure in the flow of material just off the shaft of the auger. Our Windows software is designed to automatically ignore the flight of the screw, ensuring the most accurate moisture measurement. Chutes, cyclones, and bins are also installation points in some applications. They utilize attachments to allow the sensor to be mounted externally. For web, converting, and coating lines, the sensor is installed where measurement is most crucial, as well as where space allows. Our sensor can be used as a single-point measurement or positioned on a cross-profiling measurement system. Large pipeline installations are measured using our flange window attachment. Gravity-fed or pneumatically conveyed products are measured with our added snorkel and sample cup attachments. MoistTech sensors are not limited to the type of installation and can be mounted in any orientation using many of our measurement accessories. Each sensor has an air purge nozzle to connect 1 to 2 psi of clean, filtered air. This allows a positive blanket of air to keep the lens clean and your measurements accurate. Now that you have successfully installed your moisture sensor, you can easily begin optimizing your production line. A quick start guide is included with your shipment for easy connection to a PLC, external display, or a simple PC. Our engineering team is happy to help with any questions or troubleshooting you may need. Our main office is open Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and can be reached by calling 941-727-1800. Thank you for choosing MoistTech as your moisture measurement specialist. We look forward to serving you.